What we do here is go back.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Casey and this video is so long overdue. It was a quarantine project in the works, but it's finally done and I hope you guys enjoy my room transformation. Starting off with the before of this room was my brother's, and as you can see, it's just a chaotic mess. There were old faded out paint stains. I added leaves and fairy lights to make it seem homey, but in the end it just looked cluttered. I also added a tapestry when I first got back from New York to cover this extremely cheesy quote on the wall. It says, "Life isn't about waiting for the storm to pass, but learning to dance in the rain." And I tried to remove some parts of it, but I ended up chipping off the paint and it just did not look good. And again, I hung up lights and leaves everywhere thinking it looked good. I even added a rug and it just made the room look super small when in reality it's huge. This chair definitely needed to go, but the worst thing in this room was the bookshelf and how insanely messy it was. It just did not look concise, and I just had a bunch of random books and knickknacks on the bookshelf, and the fairy lights and the leaves did not do its justice at all. And because I came from New York on such short notice because of COVID, my mom gave me some random blankets to use and they were just not cute at all. But I definitely wanted to repurpose a lot of the furniture and just keep a lot of it because I was not willing to spend a lot of money on this transformation. But I am so excited for you guys to see the process and the final result. So let's get started. So the first thing we had to do before we started painting was lay out the tarp and tape all the corners of the room. And then we had to patch up the walls and all the cracks and holes that were in it. I had to blow dry them. It only takes 2 to 3 minutes. And then I had to sand them down and then we could begin painting. My dad was literally a godsend when it came to this room makeover. He helped me paint and patch up the walls, and I am so grateful for him. But there was a lot of yelling and coaching involved because he does remodel houses for a living, so he's very particular. And there were a couple of fights and him calling me a couple of mean names, but you know, that's the typical Asian way. But once one wall was painted, we had to let that dry, and then my dad went in to the little crevices and corners, and he did that because he's more professional in that sense. But painting took a long time. It took 2 days because once one coat was dried, you had to let that sit for 1 day and then go in with the second coat. After painting, everything was a lot easier. I just grabbed some Pinterest inspiration. I got these leaves from Amazon and I will link them below, but I had a plan of hanging them up as you guys saw, and then all of my New York decorations finally came in the mail, so I was excited and hyped about that. I just have a few paintings, disposables, and that tapestry, and I was so excited that they all came. So I set up my San Francisco painting and disposables like this. I just thought it looked symmetrical and I really loved how it turned out. It looks very nice against the white wall. In a similar boat, my bedding and blanket from New York came. I just had this blanket from Amazon and then this gray blanket my mom gave me. I hung up the tapestry above my bed and everything already looked so good and I was so freaking happy. I laid out my carpet on an empty side of my room, and I just got this carpet from Amazon as well. Same with the chair. I love this spinny chair, and I especially love the detail of the netting. I think that's what it's called. But this chair is super comfortable, and again, from Amazon, link it below, and I absolutely love it in this corner. I then organized my desk. I added a little tray with my knickknacks, some plants, and I then cleared out my bookshelf and added these succulents, which are super cute and I love how they look. As for more decorations, I had this old corkboard where I just added some Polaroid pictures and more to-do lists and calendars. So this is the outside of my room. There's this plant that my mom put here, but let's come on in, and this is the first thing you guys see when you enter my room. I'm going to start from the back. So I have this mirror. I look like trash, but it's okay. I have this mirror. It's from Target. It's the standard mirror. It hooks on the door. I have my tote bag that I use most frequently. I have my most worn shoes, and I know Asian household, no shoes, but I don't want them getting dirty outside because, as you can see, most of them are white. I have this plug-in for my fairy lights, and they look kind of odd right now, but at night it's very aesthetic and calming. I have these leaves that I got from Amazon, and I just made a little flowing aesthetic look right there. And then when you guys turn right here, I have my closet. It's 2 doors, my dirty laundry. This light, I think it's from IKEA. It's super old, but I'll show you guys my closet. It's literally a mess because I have so many clothing pieces. Literally, it's piling. I have a lot of clothes. Oh, my bra. Anyway, let's close her up. It's literally like I have to push it to close it because it's just so overflowing. I have this tapestry. It's from Amazon. It's only $13. I have this bed frame is old because I did not want to buy all new furniture. It's unnecessary. I have this comforter, I think, and it's from Amazon as well. This blanket my mom got me. I have no idea where it's from, but you guys could probably find a similar one somewhere. And it's just a queen size bed. And then when I turn over here, I just have my plug-in where I charge my camera battery, and it's just chilling there. I have this rug. It is from Amazon as well. It's 5x8, and this is my favorite corner ever. It's so calming and I love it. This is a spinny chair. Yep. And it's also from Amazon. It was $170, I believe, but that's a lot more affordable than World Market, and that's like $300. I love this chair for just reading in this corner. Again, I have these leaves, and they're cascading, and it's just very aesthetic, and I love it. And then I have my photos. I have much more disposables to add to this wall, but I got this painting from Amazon. And then I just have my disposables. And then here, as you can see, I have my coffee and water. I have a succulent here. It is, I need to water it. It's gonna die. But my room faces towards the deck, so I have a really amazing lighting. But you guys can't tell right now because I'm pointing the camera towards the windows. That's the door to the outside. And yeah, so turning this corner, another window. I love the lighting, as you guys can tell. I have my desk, and it's really old. Literally, this room used to be my brother's, so I don't know what happened there. Probably anger. But oh my god. But yeah, this desk is super old. This chair is super old. I just want to reuse old furniture. So this used to be my desk chair from when I was in elementary school. But I think it ties nicely because it's like the white and dark wood aesthetic. So on my desk, I have this lamp. No idea where it's from. These fake leaves. Yep, they're fake. And then I have a candle burning right now. It's from Bath & Body Works. I have this little ceramic tray that I made in ceramics class, and I just put a bunch of accessories, my sunglasses. I have a photo of me and my dad. I have this glass thing, I think it's from the thrift shop, and I just put some lotion and a mask that I use most often. And yeah, that is the little setup right here. And then I have this little clay Hello Darling thing. My big gave me it and I just hung my necklace on it. I have my board right here where I have my to-do list, the days, my manifestations, and some Polaroids of my friends and I. And then I have some books and my affirmations and my highlighter. I have my computer right here and I was just working on some stuff. Again, another planner where I have all the things I need to get done. And going up, I have this ginormous bookcase. I really don't like it here, but I just did not want my dad to take it down, and just that's too much work. So here I have some succulents, 3 little succulents, and my friend, her mom actually pots and sells succulents, so she potted and made these cute little succulents, which I really love the look of the 3 different colors. And I have so many freaking books. Only half of these are mine and then half of them are my brother's, but that's a lot of books. And then I have some family albums up there. I have my 2 cameras that I don't use. One is an Insta Polaroid one and one is a DSLR, and that is just the bookcase. It's quite odd looking, but it works. That is what my room looks like right now, living in San Francisco. So that is my room tour, and yeah. So this is my finished room. I am so freaking happy with it, and I am so thankful for my dad for helping me paint and do all the little kinks and everything. But if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.